Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change TikTok account username. So as you can see, currently I'm on my TikTok profile and this is my account username. Now I will show you how to easily change or edit your account username. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch the TikTok app and sign into your TikTok account. Now tap on profile. Once you are in your TikTok profile page, tap on set up profile or edit profile. Once you are here, tap on username. And now from here you will be able to easily change or update your TikTok account username. If you see this green check mark next to your username, it means the username is available. Now all you have to need is just tap on save and tap on confirm, and your TikTok account username will be changed. And once you change your account username, you won't be able to change it again before 30 days. So again, if you want to change your username, you have to wait up to 30 days. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.